Recruiting today is more complex than ever. Juggling job postings, applicant tracking, clients, candidate communication, and analytics, often across multiple tools, can lead to inefficiencies and missed opportunities. CEIPAL ATS offers a centralized solution designed to make high volume and agency recruiting smarter and faster. CEIPAL ATS is an advanced applicant tracking system built to support staffing agencies and corporate HR teams alike. It combines AI driven candidate sourcing, automation, CRM tools, job distribution, and analytics into one cohesive platform. Whether you're placing technical talent, managing multiple clients, or streamlining internal hiring, CEIPAL provides the flexibility and scalability needed in today's competitive hiring landscape. In this video, we'll walk through CEIPAL's most impactful features and why this software continues to be a top choice for recruiters in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the AI-powered candidate matching. CEIPAL's built-in AI scans resumes and automatically ranks candidates based on how well they match a job's requirements. You can refine results using filters for skills, job titles, locations, and even education. Its Smart Match feature continues to learn and improve over time, enhancing accuracy with each search. Instead of sorting through hundreds of resumes manually, recruiters are instantly presented with the most relevant candidates, saving time and increasing placement quality. Another key feature is the multi-channel job posting. With a few clicks, you can publish job openings across multiple job boards like LinkedIn, Indeed, Monster, and more, all from CEIPAL's dashboard. The system also provides performance metrics for each channel, helping you fine-tune sourcing strategies. Centralized job posting eliminates the need to manage separate accounts on multiple platforms, broadens your reach, and helps attract more qualified applicants quickly. Another key feature is the candidate relationship management. CEIPAL includes a robust CRM for tracking all candidate interactions, emails, calls, interviews, and feedback. You can tag candidates, assign them to pipelines, and revisit past applicants for future roles. Recruiters build lasting relationships with candidates and clients, reduce redundancy, and create an efficient talent pipeline by always knowing where each contact stands in the process. Another key feature is the customizable workflows and automations. The platform allows you to customize recruitment workflows for different roles and clients. Automated actions can trigger based on status changes, like sending an interview invite, changing a candidate stage, or notifying hiring managers. Custom workflows reduce repetitive manual steps, maintain consistency across your team, and allows recruiters to focus more on strategy and candidate experience. Another key feature is the advanced reporting and compliance tools. PayPal features dashboards and custom reports to track metrics like time to fill, source effectiveness, recruiter performance, and DEI initiatives. It also offers built-in tools to handle compliance with EOC, OFCPP, CCP, GDPR, and other regulations. You get clear visibility into performance and operations while staying compliant with labor and data privacy laws, a crucial factor in today's hiring environment. So, why is CEIPAL ATS a great choice? CEIPAL ATS stands out because it's designed for scalability without sacrificing usability. Whether you're a solo recruiter or part of a large staffing agency, CEIPAL's flexible interface adapts to your workflow. Its AI features reduce time spent on sourcing, while automations and integrations streamline the rest of your hiring process. Additionally, CEIPAL supports deep customization, allowing organizations to tailor their recruitment pipeline into industry specific or client specific needs. And with cloud based access and mobile friendly design, recruiters can manage their pipeline from anywhere, an essential capability in today's hybrid work environment. CEIPAL also continuously improves, offering regular updates, new integrations, and user requested features. Its ability to centralize recruiting, CRM, clients, and analytics in one system gives recruiters the clarity and control needed to perform at a high level. So, if you're looking to modernize and simplify your recruitment operations, CEPAL ATS offers everything you need in one platform. From AI based sourcing and customizable workflows to multi board job posting and full compliance tracking, CEPAL transforms how you find, manage, and place talent. It's a reliable and comprehensive tool for staffing firms and HR teams that need to stay competitive, efficient, and compliant. With SayPal, you spend less time juggling tools and more time making quality hires. So start using SayPal ATS today to upgrade your recruitment process and stay ahead in the ever evolving hiring landscape of 2025. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.